Namaskar. Even if you are new to yoga, you will find that this holistic system is very beneficial. It is a great way to support weight loss while bringing you general good health. Today, let's see some beginners friendly yoga asanas that you can do in 10 minutes to help weight loss. So, let's begin with conditioning. The standing conditioning asana would be Sthitapratnasana. Stand straight, both feet together or little away from each other, hands in front of sternum. Close your eyes and focus on your balance. After this, the first asana would be Hastauttanasana. Here, stand straight, both feet little away from each other in Talasana position. And then, while breathing in, raise your both arms up high and go little back as much as possible and come straight and come back. This pose involves reaching your arms overhead and stretching your entire body. It helps improve posture, increase lung capacity, and enhances body awareness. Second posture is Virabhadrasana, the warrior pose. Stand straight, gently bend your right knee forward and extend your left leg behind. Join your both hands from the side upwards and stretch up. Hold this pose for 5-6 seconds. This warrior pose involves multiple muscle groups, including your legs, core, and arms. This pose helps to increase your muscle strength and boost metabolism. Third posture is Utkatasana. Stand straight with 1 foot gap between both the legs. Gently inhale and raise your arms forward at the shoulder level. Exhaling, bend your knees and squat down. Relax there, hold this position for 6 seconds. While inhaling, raise yourself up, come up, and exhaling, bring your hands down. This pose also increases strength. It activates muscles of your thigh, glutes, and core. It increases muscle mass and results in a higher resting metabolic rate. Then the pose is Konasana 3. Here, stand straight. Keep the gap between both the legs 2.5 feet apart. Raise both your arms up and wide open them. Expand your chest. Now look at your right hand tip of the finger. Twist yourself while exhaling. Go towards the left side and bend your hand down to touch your left toe and the other arm up above your head. And turn your head to look up at the tip of the finger. Hold this for 6 seconds and come back in the same way. This pose involves stretching and strengthening of your leg muscles, upper body and arm muscles. It helps increasing circulation on your face, so helps in cold, cough, sinusitis, asthma also. Next posture is Malasana. Stand straight, keep your feet away, 2.5 feet away. And now join the hands in Namaste position and squat down in this position. Hold this for a couple of seconds and come back straight. In this deep squat, you use your thigh muscles, hip muscles, and lower back muscles. It improves digestion, helps clear elimination. It also brings flexibility to your lower body. Next is Bhujangasana. Here, lie down on your abdomen and then bring your both arms at the side of your chest, bend them, and then while inhaling, lift your head, neck, and shoulder upwards. Stay in that position for maximum 6 seconds, looking up and back, and come back in the same way. Bhujangasana strengthens the muscles of your back, arms, and shoulder. It also stimulates your digestive organ. It improves your posture and increases your spinal flexibility. Next comes is Paschimottanasana. Here, you sit straight, stretch your legs in front of you, both legs joined together. Now, your arms on your thigh. While inhaling, bring your arms at the chest level, your palm at the chest level, and inhale, bend little bit backwards, and then while exhaling, stretch and bend forward to touch your toe, big toe. Stay there for some time. Inhaling, come back to your normal position. This forward bend stretch stretches your spine, hamstring, and lower back. It helps release stress and gives a good compression to your abdominal organ. Now comes Naukasana. Here, lie down on your back, straight, and now lift your both legs little above the ground and simultaneously lift your head and shoulder also above the ground. Stretch your arms as if you are going to touch the toe. Stay in that position for some time, like a boat, and then come back to the normal position. Naukasana really activates the belly muscles. It flexes hip as well as lower back. It strengthens your core muscles very well and stimulates the digestive system. Finally, Shavasana. Lie down on your back. Your legs should be 2 feet away from each other. Spread them and your arm 1 foot away from body, both the arms. So this is the simple position. Lie down in this position and slowly learn to relax little part of your body, right from toe, then your knees, your thighs, and like that upwards. In the same way, from head downwards. Relax little part of your body, and then finally focus on your abdomen. Breathing in, abdomen comes little up. Breathing out, abdomen goes little down. So stay in that position, totally relaxed, as if sinking in the ground, and stay for some time. Come back to normal position. While Shavasana is a relaxation pose, it plays a very big role in reducing stress. Chronic stress can actually cause weight gain. So this practice like Shavasana, which really reduces stress, will directly help in weight management. Remember to focus on your breath and listen to your body. It is very important to practice these asanas regularly. Practice mindfully and pay full attention on how your body is feeling. Modify the poses as required, as you can easily do it with the help of teacher's guidance. If you are new to yoga and if you have a specific health condition, it is better to learn these asanas from an experienced teacher or from a reputed institute. Also remember, all these yoga techniques needs even a healthy diet and other lifestyle changes which would totally help in effective weight loss. May your mind and body remain in good health. Namaskar.